Our mobile phone can receive all kinds of text messages, chat with friends and family. There were also various advertisement harassments. But have you ever thought that you will make money by SMS? You don't even need to reply to them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to drop into US dollars by received SMS. The highly each text message can earn $2. At the end of these videos, I will introduce you that you don't even need a mobile phone. You don't need to real phone numbers. You can complete this operation to receive the SMS to earn US dollar. If a friend come to this side, my channel is about how to make money. Subscribe to my channels and you will not to miss any knowledge about making money at home. Of course, you have type of online money you want to know, so you can ask me in the comment areas. Below, I'm introduced the 3 very reliable platforms that can make money by receive SMS. First, you can see the first plan is called MC Money. They can make money improve the global communication. In fact, all we have to do this is receive SMS on their mobile phones. No need to do anything. Don't even reply you. You can see the website very cautious. We download by click the buttons, the download APK button. And if you scroll down, you can see how they can install and earn money. Just install the app. We will send you the redundant text SMS message once in a while. You will earn money for each received text message for us. But the MC Money is Android only app. They not work for in the iOS. But don't worry. The next app can work on iOS. You don't have no need to do anything, no even replace see make money option here. As long as we install the app, you will receive the second. This app is called IMGR. This is available for Android and Apples. The personal website exchange point for US dollars, similar to most of way of making money online. Earn cash rewards when you chat with your friends. Download free. Clicking download to see Android and app option. You can download. The third app is called Money SMS. Let's introduce. Money SMS is a free Android or iOS app which allow you to making money online automatically by receive SMS generally by our citizen and customer. Although the picture is show the mobile phone, but I will tell you how to complete the operation without a phone number. Scroll down and you will see the reference progress. You can reference our app to your friends and communications and earn 30% from their earnings. you will automatically get paid 0.02 euro dollars, which when you receive the text message, you can withdraw your money when your balance hit $2. Next, I will introduce you to a platform that can be operational without a mobile phone. Google Voice can be used to managing the SMS call servers, and is a free virtual mobile phone numbers. In this way, you can receive a text message without your own phone mobile. You can earn US dollars. You can use the Google Voice and the application interface to receive and send a SMS contact. Finally, or if I still don't want to provide my mobile phone numbers, but I will still want to accept my mobile phone to make money, there was also a way to have a call receive the platform, like the numbers on the left and the content and the text message on the right. This is all the websites you can write in the notebooks. See you next time.